I have a dream that one day this USD 367 school district will have the courage to research and implement the most transformative 21st century learning practices to our classrooms. In particular, those that rely on student empowerment and self-directed learning. The youth across our school district do not often see the connection between what they've learned and observed outside the classroom. We need to deliver education with students, not to them. And we need to shift the goals of learning altogether, advising students that it is okay to make mistakes in order to grow. The future is to learn to work collaboratively and deliver value as a member of a project team. Education is evolving at a faster pace than any other period in recent history. Because of this, it is more important than ever to understand how and where it is challenging so that the educators and schools can support students in preparing for challenges and careers that don't exist today. I have a dream that one day USD 367 students will be able to have an education that goes beyond standardized testing to include social and vocational skills. Learning virtues and values such as empathy and kindness and developing emotional intelligence are equally as important as the math and science lessons that we teach. In order for children to understand themselves, their connection to others, and to the world. We know that from our research and looking at data that 21st century skills are just as strong as predictor of long-term success as technical skills. In the complex new world of work, the transferability of those skills will enable young people to navigate the world where jobs are going to be affected by automation, globalization, and increasing flexibility. Our students will be better prepared for future careers by including practical vocational skills, communication strategies, and leadership development. I have a dream that one day our students will have emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality incorporated into their education by creating exciting and engaging experiences in the classroom. AR in educational settings improves learning performance and encourages learning motivation. Our students will be better prepared for the future careers. Education technology will give our students new opportunities to engage with their learning. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will be given the best start possible by developing a toolkit of technical skills such as problem solving, coding, and good understanding of STEM subjects. They will be prepared for future technologies and challenges. I want students to develop problem solving alongside digital skills so they will be better prepared for future jobs. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will be able to create opportunities and challenges for each student to succeed as a lifelong learner in the changing world. We want to prepare future leaders, learners, and thinkers for our global economy and community. We must ignite the hearts and minds of our students, staff, family, and community. This will be the day when we as a school district have met our goals for each individual child in our district, and they are prepared to excel as a future member of our society.